Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Please excuse the dishwasher in the background if you can hear it, because I started it before I went to the store, but it wasn't done yet. So I'm going to be making fajitas today for this month's cast iron cooking challenge. It's going to be fajitas, so I'm going to turn the camera and show you what I got for ingredients. And Alright, so what I've got here is I've got some flat iron steak. Pickings were pretty slim at the Safeway I went to, so that's basically I got the smallest one I could get. So I got some flat iron steak. I've got some refried beans because it was recently Cinco de Mayo and they were on sale. I got some cheese. I didn't normally get pre-shredded cheese, but my cheese grater is in the dishwasher. I have a beverage, a crystal sparkling ice. Tomato, avocado. I'm going to put a bell pepper in, which may surprise a lot of you because a lot of you know I don't like bell peppers, but I'm going to try it. And I've got some mushrooms, and I got these street tacos. These were $1. And I got some fajita seasoning, which I'm going to sprinkle on the meat and the peppers. So, alright, let me get my mushrooms started. They might look a little questionable being as brown as they are, but I read that as long as they're not slimy, they're okay. Got my cast iron warming up. My beans are on right here. Alright. Get my pepper cooking. I saw some other peppers at the store, but I was questioning them and ultimately decided not to get them. Cut these kind of small-ish, or julienne. Cut them diagonally. Let's go ahead and eat one. Alright, got my mushrooms going. Oh, which I just spilled all over the damn stove. Slowly heating up my beans. My peppers going. I'll cut that much off. Cut these into strips. Yeah. It pays to have a good knife, tell you what. It pays for itself 10 times over. I actually wanted to cut them a little thinner, but that's alright. My knives need a little sharpening. I got enough oil in here from the olive oil I put in. The steak in here. Not a whole lot, just a little. Probably good enough. Call those mushrooms done, because I'm going to throw them in with the meat and peppers when they're nice. Alright, I think we're happy. I'm going to throw the mushrooms in. Why didn't I just saute them together? Honestly, I don't know. I've always done the mushrooms separate, so I think it was just out of habit. I think this is done. So, let me go ahead and kill the heat. Alright. I normally plate everything up carefully, but make sure I get a pepper in there. Mushrooms in there, a little bit of tomato. These things are going to be loaded. A little bit of avocado. A little bit of cheese. Maybe I should have gotten bigger ones. Alright, there you go. Pretty good. A little drippy, but you're probably wondering why I made the beans. Well, that's so I can make a little mini bean burrito. A little tomato on there. Kind of mix it up. Oh yeah. Alright, that was actually quite good. I more or less ate standing over the sink, but I ate the rest of the tomatoes and the avocado. Which, quick tip for avocado, I'm going to store the other half for tomorrow. Leave the pit in until the next day, because for some reason the pit keeps it from turning brown. There's no lemon on here, there's no salt on here, there's nothing else on there, just the pit. So, quick little tip. It seems to store pretty well. Now I gotta clean up my mess, put on my work uniform, and go to work, which is a drag. Anyway, check out the links in the description for Dee from Native Tearz. You got the playlist for the cast iron cooking, cast iron Wednesdays, and also the link for Shovelhead 8 is in the description. Check them both out. Check out the playlist. Maybe look for some meal ideas, some dinner ideas for yourself. If you don't make videos, you still eat though, so check those videos out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.